Which Guiro is right for you? First up, we have the Cricket Guiro, which is quite small. It's great as a gift, this one mainly. Ironically, it does make a cricket sound. Next up, we have the JT Guiro, which is more of a professional instrument, but it's also very compact, portable, and this is how it sounds. It has a lovely raspy tone. It's made from solid bamboo and it has this hollow part inside to amplify the sound. It also has a hanging loop, just in case you want to put it on display. If you want a full-size Guiro, then maybe the Toco Guiro is for you. It has much bigger ridges. It's also made from bamboo. It has wood at this end and at this end. The internal filling can bash against the wooden caps. This is how it sounds as a Guiro. So depending on the beater that you use, you will get a different sound. And this one actually kind of triples up because it can be used as a sort of rain stick. If you slowly tilt it. And you can also use it as a shaker. Now finally, we have the Croaking Frog Guiro, which is classic. It's large, it's hollow, it's made from solid acacia wood in Thailand. The beater actually sits perfectly in its mouth. And it just looks like an ornament that you'd be happy to have on display on a shelf. So if we pop that out and we go along the ridges, lovely, loud tone. Anyway, if you want to check out any of these Guiros, I will put a link in the description so that you can do that. Thank you so much for watching.